Welcome. Let's talk about sales with right of return. Hit subscribe and let's go. This topic looks simple, but one condition can completely change when you recognize revenue. Sometimes customers have the right to return products. That creates uncertainty for businesses. In some industries, returns are very high, like publishing, where returns can reach 65%. The big question is, should the company recognize revenue at the time of sale? There are three ways companies can handle this situation, depending on the level of uncertainty. Approach 1. Wait until return period ends and then recognize revenue. Approach 2. Record sale and estimate returns, which will reduce sales recorded. Approach 3. Record revenue now and adjust when returns happen. Accounting rules say you can recognize revenue only if certain conditions are satisfied. First, the price must be fixed, and the buyer must be obligated to pay. Next, the buyer must take real risk and have economic substance beyond the seller. Finally, the seller must not have major future obligations and must be able to estimate returns. If these conditions are not met, revenue must be delayed until uncertainty is resolved. Let's look at a real example to make this clear. Pesido sells equipment, but hospitals can return it within 9 months. Because returns are uncertain, revenue is not recognized immediately. Instead, revenue is recorded only after the return period expires. But what if returns are predictable and low? Then things change. Example: sales are $300,000 and later $10,000 is returned. When goods are returned, we reduce revenue using sales returns. Now, the company estimates future returns at 4%. This gives expected returns of $11,600. We record an allowance for expected returns. This reduces revenue early. This ensures revenue is not overstated. So remember, if returns are uncertain, wait. If you can estimate them, adjust revenue. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple visual accounting.